This is how you're going to accept deposits using Square Appointments. Deposits help prevent no-shows and must be configured from your Square dashboard. So step 1, you're going to navigate to the payment settings. You're going to log into your Square dashboard, which you can see right here on your PC, and then you're going to head over to Appointments from the left side panel. Now, once you're on your Appointments, you're going to click on Settings, and then you're going to click on Payments and Cancellations. Step 2, you're going to require a deposit. So under the payment section, you're going to click on your current policy and select Require a Deposit. Step 3, you're going to set amount. Choose whether to change or charge a fixed amount, like for example $20, or a percentage, for example $50 or percent on each service booked online. Save your changes after that, and the deposits will not be collected when a client books through your online Square booking page. And that's it. That is how easy it is to accept deposits using Square Appointments. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.